In just a few hours, we could enter the final stages in the case against Mike Madigan.
Closing arguments are set to begin today in the landmark case against the former Illinois Speaker of the House. Marissa Perlman joining us live now from the Dirksen Federal Building with what we can expect to happen pretty much any minute now. Marissa?
Yeah, that's right. It is expected to be a big day. That hearing underway right now here upstairs at the Dirksen Federal Courthouse. After 3 months and more than 6 witnesses, we could expect to hear those closing arguments starting today. Now, just a little bit ago, we saw as Mike Madigan walked through the doors here at the federal courthouse alongside his co-defendant, Michael McLean, and their legal team on what could be the beginning of the end for this trial. Madigan's legal team, again, with the final word, rested their case on Thursday. His lawyers hoping to convince jurors prosecutors are overreaching by bringing a historic racketeering conspiracy claim against the man once considered Illinois' most powerful politician. Madigan, nicknamed the Velvet Hammer, accused now of coordinating a criminal conspiracy that stretched across a decade. Over 7 days of testimony, the defense called 12 witnesses, including Madigan himself. Madigan testified for nearly 12 hours over a 4-day period. Now, among the accusations, prosecutors say he ran a bribery scheme, pushing legislation for ComEd and AT&T in exchange for no-show jobs for his political allies. Jury instruction again underway right now, a process that's expected to run long. Let's hear about that from CBS Chicago legal analyst Irv Miller.
These instructions, I understand, are over 100 pages long. It's going to take a long time for the judge to read them, and it'll take a really long time for the jury to take these instructions back to the jury room and try to figure them out.
Yeah.
They're very complicated. Particularly in this case, even the lawyers and the judge couldn't agree on what some of these instructions could be. They couldn't agree on how to define the word corrupt.
Closing arguments are up next. That's expected to last at least 3 days. That means the jury may not even begin to deliberate until next week. We're live at the federal courthouse. I'm Marissa Perlman, CBS News Chicago.
Marissa, thank you so much.